What's up, guys? Today we'll look at the price of Bitcoin, which is seemingly going into the bullish scenario when the accumulation in this zone has been released to the upside. And yeah, we actually even broke this channel and we are holding above it. Of course, we need to keep in mind that if we are drawing this channel resistance in a bit different way, then we can actually say that, well, we already broke it before and we returned back, and then we actually found support on the previous resistance, and now this support line matched with this low, and yeah, we're actually above this wedge for a while. But yeah, it depends how will you plot it. In fact, I would say that we should be careful with that, but in any case, even if we'll do it like that, of course we can use this high over here and maybe like doing like this, and then we are still in the same kind of channel already, not the wedge. But if you would not include this scam week, then probably it should be something like this, and then it means that we are above this channel with this wedge actually, and we are holding above it. Moreover, it's like only 23.6% correction from the top by Fibonacci retracement levels, and it's not that bad. It's healthy. Even if we'll go to something like 38.2%, which is 7,600, then it still be okay, because after that we can continue to grow, and it will be almost like the finding the support on this trend line. And an interesting idea, an interesting comparison was recently published on TradingView by Crypto Bullet. He said that this accumulation zone is very similar to the Wyckoff accumulation, and indeed you can see that the levels, the highs and lows are pretty much the same for the price action which we had during the recent maybe a month or something, and finally we broke it to the upside just exactly as you can find in the textbook example. At the same time, that guy also said that we have the gap on CME futures. Indeed, there's a small gap there, and if the price will go lower after the breaking the final level on the Wyckoff accumulation scheme, then we need to retest this maybe $7,700. We will retest it, and if we will find a support here or maybe a little bit lower and go higher, then it will be a confirmation of the bullish scenario. Indeed, in principle, I would kind of agree with this position. Again, it will also resonate with the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement and this support and so on and so forth. But on the other hand, if this will not hold, if it will continue to drop, if we will not see any kind of strong buying pressure at this area, then it's more likely that we'll feel all this pump until 100%, and the level below $7,000 and maybe even a new low below $6,400 will be in cards. The one thing which I would like to encourage you to do is avoid chasing the price moves which have kind of an exponential behavior. For example, here I posted this on Twitter and Telegram. We started to have bearish divergences when the price was at $8,100, and then when it actually shoot even higher, we had the longs on Binance and BitMEX started to be higher in value than the number of shorts. And eventually we even had the RSI on a daily time frame higher than the previous point when we had the pump from $7,400 to $10,000 or something like that. And also all the oscillators were in overbought territory, but people started to say, oh well, we're going to $9,000, $10,000 like in a couple of hours, and so on. And of course we didn't. This $8,500 was the final high of the price action, and eventually we dropped like 7% from that point to almost $7,800. So my point is, if you see this kind of price action, it is not reasonable to chase it and just wait until a pullback. It will always happen, and if it will not happen, then the chances that you will be lucky are really small. But with that said, that is it for today. Let's see what will happen tomorrow. I will keep you updated. I promise I will look at the altcoins as many people were asking about. So yeah, safe trading, guys. Goodbye.